What's up, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of shoulder training to help you sculpt those coveted 3D deltoids. We're talking about those well-rounded shoulders that not only look incredible, but also boost your strength and stability. The deltoid muscle is made up of three crucial heads: the anterior, front, lateral, side, and posterior, rear. To achieve truly impressive and functional shoulders, it's absolutely vital that we target all three. Now, you might be wondering where to start. Well, we're going to approach this a little differently. Today, we're emphasizing the importance of hitting those side deltoids first, followed by the back deltoids, and finally wrapping up with the front deltoids. Why this order? Because well-developed side delts are key to that wide athletic look, and often get neglected. The front delt is involved in most exercises when working out the chest. For example, front delts get 20 to 30% more work due to body mechanics. We will expel our energy, hitting the side, then the back and front last. So, let's not wait any longer and get straight into building those shelf-like shoulders. Section 1. Sculpting the side deltoids for width. Host. Let's kick things off by focusing on the star of the show today, the side deltoids or lateral deltoids. These are what truly contribute to the width of your shoulders and give you that powerful 3D appearance. Neglecting them can leave your shoulders looking narrow and underdeveloped. The visual impact of well-developed side delts cannot be overstated. They contribute significantly to the width and overall shape of the shoulders, creating that coveted V-taper look. This enhancement not only improves your appearance in fitted clothing, but also boosts your confidence in various physical activities. To build these crucial muscles, it's essential to prioritize side delt training in your workout routine. Many individuals tend to focus primarily on the front deltoids or chest, neglecting the lateral head of the deltoids, which can lead to imbalances and a less defined shoulder appearance. By incorporating targeted exercises for the side delts, you can ensure balanced development and a more symmetrical upper body. When it comes to training volume, it's generally recommended to aim for about 6 to 9 sets per week dedicated to side deltoid exercises. This volume allows for sufficient stimulus to promote muscle growth while also providing adequate recovery time. Here are some top exercises to target those side deltoids: lateral raises, dumbbell, or cable. This is the gold standard. Focus on lifting with your elbow leading the movement and controlling the descent. Cable lateral raises offer consistent tension throughout the range of motion. Overhead press, barbell or dumbbell. While it works all three heads, the overhead press significantly engages the medial deltoid in the abduction, moving away from the body of the arm. It's a powerful compound movement for overall shoulder development. Show proper form for overhead press. Arnold press. The rotational component of the Arnold press puts a greater emphasis on the medial deltoid throughout the movement compared to a standard dumbbell press. Show proper form for Arnold press. By committing to a consistent training plan that emphasizes the side delts, you'll not only enhance your shoulder aesthetics, but also improve your overall strength and stability. So make sure to give your side deltoids the attention they deserve in your workouts for optimal results and a more impressive physique. Section 2. Building depth with back shoulder exercises. Host. All right, now that we've pumped up those side deltoids, let's shift our focus to the back of the shoulders, the posterior deltoids. Often overlooked, strong rear delts are crucial for creating that complete 3D look and also play a vital role in shoulder health and posture. Here are some top exercises to target the posterior deltoids. Bent over dumbbell. Lateral raises. This is arguably the most direct and effective isolation exercise for the posterior deltoids. Maintain a proper hinge at the hips and focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together as you lift the weights. Show proper form. Face pulls. These are fantastic for hitting the posterior deltoids, but also engage the upper traps and rotator cuff muscles, promoting shoulder health and posture. Remember to pull the rope towards your face with an external rotation. Show proper form. Reverse flies, machine or cable. These provide good isolation for the rear deltoids with consistent tension, especially the cable version. The machine version can be helpful for maintaining proper form. Show proper form for both variations. Remember, for isolation exercises like bent-over raises and reverse flies, focus on controlled movements and proper form to maximize muscle activation and prevent injury. Section 3. Finishing strong with front shoulder work. Host. Finally, let's round out our shoulder training by targeting the anterior deltoids, or the front of your shoulders. While these often get some indirect work during chest exercises, direct work can further enhance their development and contribute to that complete 3D look. It's important to note, as highlighted in the information we shared, that many individuals tend to overemphasize the front deltoids due to their focus on chest workouts. Many lifters inadvertently neglect the other heads of the deltoid muscle while prioritizing exercises like bench presses and push-ups, which predominantly engage the anterior deltoids. This can lead to imbalances and a lack of proportionality in shoulder aesthetics. A German study highlighted significant size differences between lifters and non-lifters, emphasizing that those who train their shoulders comprehensively tend to develop a more balanced physique. This research underscores the importance of not just isolating the front deltoids, but ensuring we've hit the sides and back adequately first. Here are some effective exercises to target the anterior deltoids: front raises, dumbbell, or cable. This isolation exercise directly targets the anterior deltoid. While the anterior deltoid gets some work during overhead pressing, front raises provide a more focused stimulus. Show proper form. Overhead press, barbell or dumbbell. As we mentioned earlier, this foundational compound exercise effectively targets all three heads, with a strong emphasis on the anterior and medial. To achieve well-rounded shoulder development, it's crucial to focus on balanced training for all deltoid heads. By doing so, you not only enhance your overall strength and stability, but also reduce the risk of injury that can arise from muscular imbalances. Therefore, as you plan your shoulder workouts, remember to include a variety of exercises that engage each part of the deltoid muscle. This balanced approach will not only improve your shoulder aesthetics, but also contribute to better performance in various physical activities. General shoulder training tips. Form is crucial. For all shoulder exercises, prioritize proper form over lifting heavy weight. This will maximize muscle engagement and minimize the risk of injury. Progressive overload. To continue seeing results, gradually increase the weight, reps, or sets over time as you get stronger. Listen to your body. Pay attention to any pain and adjust your exercises or weight accordingly. Don't push through sharp or persistent pain. Warm up properly. Always start your shoulder workouts with a dynamic warm-up to prepare your muscles and joints for the exercises ahead. Cool down and stretch. Finish your workout with some static stretching to improve flexibility and aid in recovery. So there you have it. A comprehensive approach to building those 3D deltoids by prioritizing your side and back shoulders before finishing off with the front. Remember, consistency and proper form are key to seeing results. By incorporating these exercises and principles into your routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving the strong, well-rounded shoulders you've always wanted. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it, subscribe to the Feed Your Fitness channel for more fitness tips and workouts, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. What are your favorite shoulder exercises? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.